So your resume is not a grocery list, and it's not about writing Excel, SQL, Python like a shopping list. So that's why recruiters ignore it. They want something with proof, and the easiest way to write proof is something called AIR method. That is personally what I call it. So today I'll show you how to transform boring tools, heavy lines into strong proof bullets that actually get replies. So stick till the end because I'll give you a before and after example you can copy for your own resume. So most fresher will write like I worked on SQL, Excel, Power BI. And this is not a bullet point, it's a tool dump. You just have wrote a line that is indicating all the tools that you worked in. It doesn't show that you did or impacted or any kind of thing that you actually created a value for. You just use a tool. So the AIR method, that is action, impact, and then result. So this is what AIR stand for. So action means what did you actually do? Like lead, automated, designed, analyzed. What did you do? Impact means what changes happened because of it. So for example, time saved, error reduced, or clarity improved. And then last is result. So put a measurable outcome like 20% faster reporting, 3x accuracy, something like that, or money saved, or the savings that you have done because of it. So instead of writing, use SQL to pull data, write automated SQL reports and reduce manual work by 3 hours per week. So these kind of things. So you see the difference, there is a proof factor in it. So that's what you need actually. So try rewriting just 3 bullet points in your resume with AIR. You'll see and why it will have an impact because recruiters will pause and read it. So I've linked the resource pack and 100 rupees, sorry, not dollar. Resource pack for the starter kit is there, and then 1.5k resource pack is there. And then also full mentorship is also available at 20k. All the links are in description. And the AIR method you can do right now using AI Career Engine. It's one of our tools that is inside it. So you can check it out. And all the links are in description. And if you want any kind of proof, you can go to Shivai's official website for it. And subscribe for more things. And I'll see you guys in the next one.